For number 3, we see we have an OR statement, so we should get arrows. If we draw the graph of the solution set, we should see arrows going in opposite directions. So let's be really careful here. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides of the first one, and first inequality, and I'm going to get negative 6x is greater than negative 12, and then I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 6, and so that's, the alarm should be going off. When you divide by a negative, you need to make sure you switch the direction of the inequality symbol, and you get x is less than 2. We still have the OR there, and in the second equation, inequality, well, I could do it one of two ways. I could bring the x's over to the left side, or I could move the x's to the right side. In an equation or an inequality, we want to choose the side we're going to put the x's on, and then choose the side for the other numbers that don't have an x in them. So when we're solving a linear either equation or an inequality. Personally, I like to bring the x's to the left side. If I bring the x's to the left side, it means I'm going to be subtracting x from both sides, and I get negative 4x plus 20 is less than or equal to 0. That's okay to get 0 there. And then I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. I haven't divided or multiplied by a negative number though yet, so I'm going to go ahead and keep the inequality symbol facing in the same direction. Here we get negative 4x with the 20s canceling is less than or equal to 0 minus 20 is negative 20. And now for the all-important divide both sides by a negative again. Dividing the left side by negative 4 gives us just x. We have to flip the direction of the inequality symbol, and then we have negative 20 divided by negative 4 is positive 5. So I have the inequality notation. I'm going to go ahead and draw the graph. So showing the graph, I've got 2 there, x is less than 2. Or I have all these values over here that would also make the original statement true of all values of x that are greater than or equal to 5. And we know that the interval then would be negative infinity all the way to 2, not including 2, combined with the interval from 5 to infinity, including 5 with a bracket. We don't include 2 with a parentheses, and we do include 5 with a bracket. Okay, we've got the graphing notation, we've got the interval notation, and we've got the inequality notation. So we've got all three. That's it for that one.